Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mint Mobile internationally. First, ensure your Mint Mobile account is set up for international roaming. You'll need to add up Roam credit to your account before you depart. This credit allows you to make calls, send texts, and use data while abroad. Remember that international rates differ significantly based on your destination and the services you use, so it's wise to check those rates beforehand. Adding up Roam credit is straightforward. Simply log into your Mint Mobile account, either through their website or the mobile app. Look for the Up Roam section, where you can easily add funds. You can typically purchase credit in convenient increments like $5, $10, or $20. Your Up Roam balance will then be used for all your international calls, texts, and data, so keep an eye on it. Understanding international rates is key to managing your costs. Calls are typically charged per minute, while text messages are charged per message sent or received. Data usage is billed per megabyte. For example, calls to some countries might be as low as $0.05 per minute, but data can be more expensive. Always review the specific rates for your destination country on the Mint Mobile website to avoid surprises. While Up Roam is convenient, there are alternatives to consider. Using Wi-Fi for calls and messaging can significantly reduce your costs. For longer trips, purchasing a local SIM card upon arrival might be more economical. Remember to enable Wi-Fi calling on your device to make calls over Wi-Fi without using Up Roam credit. Also, turn off cellular data for apps you don't need while traveling to conserve your balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.